Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Your online classes are also going on very well. You are able to understand everything and you all are safe. That is the first and foremost thing for us. You as well as your family, you all are safe in this pandemic. So, you already know, you might know about it, that CBSE has revised the syllabus of all the subjects because the students are not coming to school and they are just taking online classes, and already many months have gone and we don't know what is going to happen further, though we are hoping that the schools are going to open very soon. So CBSE, after realizing the problem, they have reduced the syllabus up to 30% from class 9 to 12 of all the subjects. Now if we come to the new blueprint of class 11th English, before telling you what the blueprint is, I would like to tell you some of the deleted topics that are there. So these are the deleted topics. Take out your books, that is Hornbill and snapshots, take them out. See, let us start from the literature part. From Hornbill, 2 chapters have been deleted. One is this poem, Father to Son, and another is the prose, the adventure. So you can take your book and you can cut these both, that they will now not be included in the syllabus. From snapshots also we have 2. One is the Ghat of the Only World and another is the Tale of Melon City. Though this was a very humorous poem and now it is not there. So the Ghat of the Only World and the Tale of Melon City, and Father to Son and the Adventure. This is from Hornbill and this is from snapshots. Then in the writing and grammar section, the reading section is same. The passage and the note making will be there. And in the writing and grammar, classified advertisements. Earlier advertisements were there and now it is not there. Next is letters to editor. You have been doing it from many years. This year it has been deleted. It is not in your syllabus. Next is job application. Then article and report writing. So article writing, report writing, they both are also not there from the long composition. In grammar, the narratives are not there. Narratives, you understand? Narration, yes, the speech from direct to indirect or indirect to direct, that are narratives. Then models, clauses, and the change of voice from active to passive or passive to active. This is also not there. After that, the correction, error correction, editing, these passages will also not come. So this all is the deleted topics. You are not required to write it anywhere. This video will also be saved. You can save this video and this is also there on the YouTube channel. Another thing is that I am going to send you the PDF of the same, so you can also go through it from there later. Now let us come to the new blueprint of English. Start with section A, that is reading. Section A, reading. This is of 26 marks. Many things have been changed, students. Many marks have been converted into the MCQs now. It is going to be very easy for you people to score marks now. But in MCQs, you can score also very good, but only when you have that understanding power, when you can comprehend properly the comprehension passages, you will get the accurate answer. Earlier when students used to write the statements, very close answer, also examiner used to give the marks. But when it is MCQ, only the accurate answer is going to get the marks, others not. So section A, reading, 26 marks. The first passage will be factual or descriptive or the literary passage. Anything describing anything about literature, about history, describing any incident, so about facts. So this can be there. This will be of 10 marks and complete MCQ based. All the 10 questions, 1 mark each will be MCQs only. 11 questions will be given to you. Out of 11 you have to attempt 10 and 1 mark each. Second is case-based passage. Case-based passage means something, in which statistics are given, any newspaper report it can be. So such article, such passage can be given in this, and this will be of 8 marks. 9 questions will be given. Out of 9, any 8 are to be done, and again complete MCQ based. 1 mark each, 8 marks. Third passage will be note making and summarization. Your teacher is going to tell you how to make notes and how to prepare the summary. Maybe they have already told. If not, they will tell you, and you will have to answer this passage, note making and summarization. This will be also of 8 marks. In this 8 marks, 5 marks will be of notes. In notes, everything is included: titles, glossary, notes, glossary keywords are to be written now. And in 3 marks, what is there? Summary. Summary will be of 3 marks. Means the notes that you have made here, how to summarize them. So that will be of 3 marks. So it completes 26 marks. 10, 8 and 8. Now let us proceed to the another section, that is section B. In section B, this is writing and grammar. This is of 24 marks. 16 writing and 8 grammar. Now 3 questions. The fourth question will be short composition. Short composition में the first is notice. Notice writing. Because अभी हमने देखा था ना कि advertisements तो है ही नहीं. Notice writing is there. So first would be notice writing. Word limit is up to 50 words and 3 marks. There will be 2 questions given. You have to attempt any 1 question. 2 notice होंगे, आपको 1 attempt करना. 3 marks, format, content. This is the distribution of 3 marks. Expression, format 1, content 1, expression 1. Earlier it was of 4 marks. Now it is of 3 marks. Then the fifth question. Fifth question is poster making. So poster making, again there will be 2 questions. You have to do any 1. It would be also of 3 marks because it is a short composition, and the same distribution of marks is there. Format 1, content 1 and expression 1. Then the next question would be long composition. In the long composition, what is there? Letter writing. अभी हमने देखा था in the deleted topics that letter to the editor is not there, job application is not there. So इसमें कौन से letters आएंगे? Business letters. What are business letters? Letters of inquiry about any product, letter of placing, letters for placing orders, or if you have purchased something, it is not working very well, then letters of complaints. And again the letters of inquiries are different. They can also come in which, like suppose you want to ask about any course, the procedure of taking admission in any particular college, or you want to go to a trip. हालांकि अभी तो ट्रिप में नहीं जाना है, but if you are given a question that you want to go to a trip, so what would be the package and all. So such questions, such letters are there. That means business letters and the letters of inquiry. This would be of 5 marks. And the distribution of marks will be format 1, content 2, get 2 questions on letter and you have to do any 1. Then comes the 7th question, again the long composition. It would be speech or debate. Deleted topics में था ना, report writing और article writing delete हो गई है. So speech and debate. 2 questions will be coming. You have to do any one. Same marks, 5 marks are there, and the same distribution of marks is there. Format 1, content 2, expressions 2. So this is about the writing part. Now let us come to grammar. In the same section B, grammar part is also there, and grammar is of 8 marks. It has been reduced, and complete grammar is MCQ based. 8 marks, there will be 8 questions. There will be 10 questions. Any 8 are to be done. 1 mark each. The first question will be, it is gap filling. Gap filling will be there. Gap filling में tenses या determiners पे based होंगे gap filling. Tenses or determiners. Gap filling will be based on this. It will be 5 and you have to do any 4. Then next would be rearranging the sentence or transformation of sentence. Transformation कैसे होता है? होता है simple to complex, complex to compound. So such transformation of sentences. That will be there. Again 5 out of 5 you have to do any 4. So this would also be MCQ based. So the MCQs are increasing. You remember section A, in section A how many MCQs were there? 2 passages were there, 10 and 8, 18 marks, and again here 8 marks. So 10, 8, 18 and 8, 26 marks MCQs up to now, and still one section is left. So let us start section C, literature. Literature will be of 30 marks. Let us start with the first question. The first would be MCQ based. See again MCQ. Again the ball is in your court. MCQ based, extract from poetry in Hornbill. There will be 2 extracts given. You have to do any 1. This would be poetry based on Hornbill, and 3 questions will be there of 1 mark. So this is the question of 3 marks. Second is again MCQ. Up to here 7th question was there. This is the 8th. Now the 9th question. Again MCQ based RTC. What are RTCs? Reference to context. You used to get the question, no? Read the extract and answer the questions that follow. They are called as RTCs. So MCQ based extract from prose. Now the prose from prose is, yes, from Hornbill or snapshots, any. Hornbill or snapshots. This would be of 6 marks. You are going to get 3 extracts. Out of 3 you have to do any 2, and in each you will get 1 mark 3 questions. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. This would again be MCQs. So you remember 26 were those MCQs, 3 here, 29 and 6, 35. Out of 80, 35 marks MCQs. Isn't it great? Yes, I know. You all would be saying yes. So text based questions. Now the text based questions, this has never come in class 12th English, 1 mark question. The word limit would be 15 to 20 words. And it would be 1 mark question. 6 questions you are going to get, and out of 6 you have to do any 5. So 5 into 1 is 5 marks. Okay? Now next is now comes the 11th question. answer type. Short answer type. Question of 2 marks. The word limit is 30 to 40 words. Short answer type question. 2 out of 4 questions from Hornbill. 4 questions will be coming and you have to do any 2. From Hornbill, it can be from prose or from poetry. Any. And this would be 2 into 2 is equal to 4 marks. Then the next question will be short answer type. From this was from Hornbill. Next would be from snapshots. You are going to get 2 questions. Out of 2 questions, you are going to do any 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 marks. Okay. Now next comes the turn of MCQs is over, 1 mark is over, 2 marks are over, and now comes the turn of Hornbill long answer type. It can be either from prose or from poetry. And the word limit would be 120 to 150 words. It would be 5 marks. 5 into 1 equals to 5. And next, the last question would be from snapshots. Snapshots, long answer type, 120 to 150 words, and the marks are 5. So I hope you all have understood the new blueprint, and I'm also going to send you the PDF of the same so that you can go through it thoroughly. So you are requested to go through it and prepare yourself according to this only. The word limits are given, you have BBC. Whenever you write your answers, adhere to the word limit. So this is the 80 marks paper and rest is 20 marks. That 20 marks is of ASL, that is assessment of speaking and listening skills. How we are going to assess you on that, we will intimate you in future. So I hope you all have understood this. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.